Salesforce admins have a lot to take care of. While there's many solutions on the AppExchange, which ones are right for you? We've created multiple no-code apps to alleviate problems admins, business analysts, and developers face. Our admin apps are easy to use and highly rated on the AppExchange. Plus, they have free versions to try before you buy. Roll up any information with clicks, not code, with Rollup Helper. Display related information anywhere in Salesforce with Lookup Helper. And create admin customizable rules for enhanced data validation, duplicate data resolution, and data storage management with Data Quality Helper. Together, they take care of common problems such as building and running reports, Salesforce user adoption, following industry compliance like GDPR, data enrichment, and saving on storage space. Stop coding where you don't have to and instead focus on your organization's key goals. In this video, I'll quickly go over each app individually, as well as how to use them together for even greater results. Rollups in Salesforce are useful for organizing data specifically to your needs, but there are frustrating limitations, like needing a master detail relationship and the inability to include cross-object formula fields in rollup summary filters. That's why we've created Rollup Helper. You can roll up any information in Salesforce with clicks and not code, and it solves all of these problems. You can build mission-critical reports and trigger intelligent data-driven workflows. There's over 30 pre-built date filters, custom filters without SQL, and you can filter roll-up results on a formula field. There's over 25 types of rollups you can do with Rollup Helper, including hierarchy rollups, cross-object rollups, and rollups on a lookup relationship. Some popular use cases include finding the primary contact on an account or finding the last activity date for a contact. Here are some ways Rollup Helper specifically helps admins. You'll stop wasting time getting around rollup limitations that should be easy to set up and maintain, leaving time for more important priorities. Remove bottlenecks and stop missing deadlines, as you don't need coding or developer skills or resources. And you can easily onboard or collaborate with other admins as all of your rollups are in one place. Here are some downstream effects that admins can set up to support other teams. Help sales and marketing be more customer-centric by letting them easily see contact or lead information on an account, see all activity on a contact to know where they left off, and create rep leaderboards. Executives can better manage strategies and outcomes with information like month-over-month or year-over-year reporting. Finance will be able to easily access vital information, such as renewal information based on contract end dates or names of child accounts on parents' accounts. And customer service teams can be more efficient with their support if they can see accounts that have the most open cases or tasks. They could calculate account level net promoter scores to see who happy clients are to reach out for customer stories, or stop an account from churning before it's too late. Try it out for yourself in our free edition, where you can have up to 3 active rollup settings. Similarly, lookups in Salesforce are great for relating records in your org, but it can be time-consuming to manually relate records. With Lookup Helper, you can display related records anywhere in Salesforce automatically. You can group data by any category, such as zip code, territory, region, or account. Your users will be able to easily find relevant information, as Lookup Helper leverages standard Salesforce related lists and lookup hover over capabilities. Lookup Helper can assist admins by displaying related records anywhere in Salesforce. Lookup Helper allows you to relate all of your important objects, such as accounts, contacts, opportunities, or any other objects in Salesforce, to a single category record. Create new data categories automatically, such as zip codes, states, product, industry, or any other master data. And since lookups populate automatically, you can cut down on the number of duplicate records, as they won't be created in the first place from human errors. Again, this can positively impact your other departments. For sales and marketing, info will be easier to find if you automatically link leads to contacts or accounts. This can also help out account-based marketing strategies if you can categorize your prospects and customers by demographics such as industry, company size, geography, and more. It's easier to create those monthly or yearly reports by linking opportunity data. Finance can have child and parent accounts related, and customer success teams can cross-sell or upsell based on the opportunity products an account has. The first 2 lookup settings are free. Finally, Data Quality Helper helps an organization to improve the quality of its data when the data is being created, updated, and stored. The app works on the front end to try and prevent bad data in the first place, so you spend less time and effort fixing bad data later. Plus, it can find bad data on the back end with your existing data. It also helps you enact a data deletion strategy that streamlines the flow of information and keeps data storage costs low. All levels of the business depend on high-quality data to make decisions and execute their responsibilities. Meanwhile, when the app is fully deployed and users are improving data quality day after day, admins are more free to use their time extending Salesforce capabilities and helping the business move forward. Data Quality Helper has 3 significant features, which far exceed Salesforce's default functionality. It gives you more control and flexibility in these areas. Admins can create custom enhanced validation warnings and reminders for users entering or reviewing data, no more being bound by Salesforce's hard validation rules. Admins can create a custom dupe detecting system that automatically sends notifications if users may be creating or reviewing duplicate data, and those users are given easy-to-use tools to custom merge multiple records. And admins can safely and easily deploy a data governance deletion strategy, which enhances users' access to data in Salesforce while keeping Salesforce data storage costs low. Let's take a look at each. First, enhanced validation rules. Display fully customizable reminders and warnings for users, which can be run before or after save. Similarly, you can allow users to continue with the save or prevent a save until the issue is resolved. These customizable rules can be used across many different business functions. Here are just 3 examples. Asking for an email or phone number when creating new contacts, reminding a user to add at least one line item to an opportunity before setting it to close one, or reminding an employee that the number of hours in their time off exceeds the remaining PTO time they have. The second feature is creating data duplication rules and data merging, which exceeds Salesforce's rigid default functionality. Establish an ideal version of your data records across your organization and prevent fractured data. For any object, admins set the rules and sensitivity matching desired for displaying dupe notifications to users. Users pick and choose individual fields from discovered dupe records to merge into a new single correct record. And the third feature is data cleanup rules for data storage management. Mass delete records based on criteria in the data cleanup rule setting on a scheduled or ad hoc basis. Preview selected records before mass deletion, and deleted records are sent to the Salesforce recycle bin for a limited time and can be restored if needed. And monitor storage usage and trends. Receive email notifications as you reach the storage size threshold you set. Data Quality Helper impacts on admins and users. Admins spend less time resolving challenges and fixing data, and more time on innovation and transformation. Empower Salesforce users to improve data quality and be more productive with it, and better data quality maximizes return on investment in the Salesforce platform. Create 2 validation rules, a duplication rule, and delete up to 20,000 records per month for free. While each of these apps are useful on their own, the whole is greater than the sum of their parts. Our customers even report higher satisfaction scores when they use multiple apps together. Here are some ways to use apps together for a greater effect. Sales rep reporting. Create sales rep reporting by first using Lookup Helper to link records together, such as leads and opportunities to an account. Then use Rollup Helper to roll up information such as close won opportunities. You could even group information together by sales team or time period. Being GDPR compliant. Rollup Helper and Lookup Helper can relate information from leads and contacts over to an individual record where information like opt-outs are stored. Data Quality Helper can be used to forget a contact or delete sensitive information. Assisting with project management. Use Rollup Helper and Lookup Helper to relate task, milestone, and project information, and then use Data Quality Helper to clean up old projects. Lead scoring. Rollup Helper and Lookup Helper can assist by associating information that may be used for scoring conditions. For example, opening an email adds 5 points, or if the last interaction was over 6 months ago, subtract 20 points. Then sales teams can focus on leads, contacts, or accounts with the highest scores. Find out more on the AppExchange, on our website, or contact our sales team to get a free one-on-one demo of any or all of these apps. Happy trailblazing!